In this lesson, we'll learn about the Edit Membership tool. The Edit Membership tool is just one of the tools we can use to add or remove influence on a deformer. Take, for instance, this cluster. If I were to go to the status bar and turn off mesh selection at the top, grab the cluster and pull it out, you can see that the cluster is right now controlling about 4 vertices tied to this character's cheek. You can see that clearly if we were to head over to shading and choose wireframe unshaded. Okay, well, what if we wanted to add more influence? Well, it's just a matter of selecting the cluster and heading to Edit Deformers, and right at the top we'll find the Edit Membership tool. What we'll find are that the points highlighted yellow are the ones that are influenced by the deformer. The ones that are brown have no influence. To add influence, we'll need to shift select the points we'd like to add influence to. You can start to see them being pulled out to have full control by that cluster. If we ever would like to remove influence, it's just a matter of control clicking a point. So now we've created this weird looking cavity in the cheek. But now, if we were to go back to, let's say, our move tool and start to move this cluster around, no longer does that vertex at the center have any more influence by that cluster. The surrounding points do. So this is a great way to, let's say, just add extra points that you may have forgotten to add initially creating the cluster. Let's say if we wanted to add that center point again, well, we know how to do that. With the cluster selected, the deformer, that is, we'd want to grab our Edit Membership tool, which we could do from our toolbar, and then shift select the point to add. And now there's no more weird looking hole in the character's cheek. So that's a look at working with the Edit Membership tool.